Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, a channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two accessories for virtual reality headsets. On the left, we have the Superus facial interface and face cover pad for Oculus Quest 2. And on the right, we have the VR sweat mask foam band for Meta Quest 3 Oculus 2 Pro. Let the battle begin. When it comes to comfort, both these products claim to enhance your VR experience. The Superus facial interface boasts an upgraded design with passive air vents, reducing fogging and giving you that ultimate immersion. On the other hand, the VR sweat mask foam band features a 5mm foam structure that prevents constant wiping of sweat, keeping you comfortable during those intense gaming sessions. So which one wins in the comfort category? Well, it's a tie. Both products offer unique features to keep you feeling cozy and sweat-free. Hygiene is crucial, especially when sharing your VR headset with friends or family. The Superus facial interface comes to the rescue with its PU leather and sponge foam face cover, keeping your headset clean and not soaked in sweat. No more worrying about passing on your sweat germs, folks. Meanwhile, the VR sweat mask foam band takes it up a notch by being machine washable and reusable. Perfect for VR business users and family entertainment. In the battle of hygiene, the VR sweat mask foam band takes the crown. A wider field of view can make a world of difference in your VR adventures. The Superus facial interface's ergonomic design ensures a tighter fit, bringing you closer to the display and offering a wider field of view. That means more immersion and less distraction. But wait, the VR sweat mask foam band also uplifts the parts around the eyes, preventing sweat from dripping down and onto the lenses. So, who wins in the field of view category? It's a tough call, but we'll give the edge to the Superus facial interface. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Price: the Superus facial interface comes in at a wallet-friendly price of just $16. That's a steal considering the comfort and hygiene it offers. On the other hand, the VR sweat mask foam band is priced slightly higher at $22. But hey, it's machine washable and reusable, so you're getting your money's worth in the long run. In terms of price, it's a tie. Both products offer great value for their respective features. Based on online reviews, customers have praised the Superus facial interface for its comfort, ease of cleaning, and reduction of light leakage. It is considered a great purchase by many. On the other hand, the VR sweat mask foam band is highly recommended for its sweat absorption and padding during VR workouts. Customers appreciate its effectiveness, but some have experienced issues with the fit and durability. And there you have it, folks. The Superus facial interface and face cover pad for Oculus Quest 2 and the VR sweat mask foam band for Meta Quest 3 Oculus 2 Pro have battled it out in various categories. While each product has its strengths, it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and priorities. So which one is the winner? Well, that's for you to decide. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest comparisons. If you have any suggestions for future product battles, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.